No! Alright, the reason why we yelled, because there was a bad train crash, and one of the engines, like, fell on the ground, and here's what happened to it. Kinda broke. And, had a crash right there.
With the plow missing?
Yeah, and the plow is gone, and there's a train crash right there. So...
The other,
yeah.
thing,
And we're trying to look for the other thing like that.
I thought you found it.
No. So I'm going to pause the video here, then we'll try to give everything back the way it goes. Oh, anyways, alright, we got the train back into the gear now, and this engine here is out of service for right now because it's broken. So the CSX 903 is in charge. And they're gonna pull this intermodal train back into the yard.
And then it needs to be coupled.
And yeah, to couple the train back up. So, wait 1 second.
q004, we're back on the move.
Yeah, this is q004, and they're gonna be moving now. So, here we go.
I don't know about that. First engine. It's off the track.
Alright, and there's the end of our train there. And, that's it. Alright, bye.